All right, Rick, just a couple of notes on tire wear. Number one, you want to check your tires to make sure that they're wearing smoothly across, left to right. Make sure that your tires are wearing evenly, so that if one side of the tire is more worn than the other, that's an indicator to get them checked out. For example, if the outside edge is worn more, or if just the inside edge is worn more, that's an indicator to take them in. Also, another thing to look for is if you've got like a single flat spot on your tire where most of the tread is worn away, that's something you want to look for. Also, another thing you want to look for is what's called scalloping. So you can see you've got the tread here, these individual pieces of tread. If you've got kind of like every other one is more worn than the other and it feels bumpy, then that's something you want to get checked out. Also, if you feel them, in a linear direction and it feels like they're kind of sawtoothed or kind of like a ratchet, that's something you want to take the tires in for. Then also, if your tires are overinflated, they'll be worn more in the center of the tread, or if they're underinflated, then they'll be worn more on the outsides of the tread. So those are some things you want to check for in tread wear. Also, to make sure that you've got enough tread on the tire, you've got these bands that are in the troughs of the tire, and the bands go across the tire like this. They look like little raised bumps. And if your tires are worn down to these tread wear indicators, then that's when you know it's time to replace your tires. Another way to check that is with a penny. You want to make sure that the tread is taller than Lincoln's head, okay? So you put the penny in there, and your tread is definitely taller than the distance between the edge of the penny and Lincoln's head, so you got plenty of tread wear for now, but that's another way to check the tread on your tire.